Hi, my name is Mark Spicer and I am a bike technician for I Can Shine. We are here teaching people with disabilities how to ride a conventional two-wheel bicycle.
My name is Paula Cameron and I'm one of the pediatric clinical case managers at the Penn State Children's Hospital. Every child that's here today has either a physical or mental challenge. Either they have a form of autism, they have a form of cerebral palsy, some of them are cognitive processing disorders. And each one of them has their own special need and a reason why riding a bike was a challenge to them and sometimes became more of a frustration and not a fun thing.
We start them off on our roller bike, and then as they progress, we will start putting them on our two-wheel bicycle. And it has a handle on the back of the bike so we can run and spot with the rider.
It has been amazing, the difference in these children. There was children that were afraid to even walk in the first day. A couple of them didn't even want anybody touching them. They had strange looks in their eyes, not sure what they were getting into, very overwhelmed. Every single day they have progressed so much. Smiles on their faces, their moms have been in tears. We've had everything just to see that release of anxiety and pressure, and the newfound freedom is wonderful.
Hi, my name is Monica Trojnar and my son is Grady. Grady started the week real hesitant, nervous about all the new people and really scared of getting on the bikes and dealing with all the other kids. Today he is a rock star. Today he rode outside on a regular adult bike and squealed with laughter and smiled and really enjoyed all of the instructors and the volunteers, so it was a great day.
It has been a dream that we have wanted to do for several years, and without Children's Miracle Network and the support, we would never see these 25 special kids reach their goals of being independent. Our kids have learned so much and it's just wonderful. I can't say thank you enough.